Now I do respect some other sports, but they have their flaws, you might say. Some of them are only fun to watch, and some are only fun to play. The fans of these other sports might get all pissed at me, but there's no better game in the whole damn world than the one we call hockey. You see, soccer is a game that's renowned for its diving. They even get hurt when they are high-fiving. But even if they removed all the diving from the game, there'd still be 0-0 ties, and those are fucking lame. Now baseball is the one that I find that I don't mind. It's usually because I drink so much I should be blind. Take away the beer and watch a pitcher stool. You think a 0-0 tie in soccer would be cool. The sports are too slow, some are too boring, some are too low and some too high scoring. Some have so many stops and some no stops at all. Some players pitch you wanna know anytime they fall, but not hockey. On my list of sports is basketball. Good luck if you wanna play unless you're 7 feet tall. The size of these fellers and their fights are fucking tame. The last 5 minutes is the only good part of the game. A season of football, 16 games in the NFL. At least it doesn't use the rules of goddamn CFL. It's a sport that I prefer to watch if hockey ever died, as long as they don't add an S when they say that they're offside. The sports are too fake, some are sports at all. Some you don't have a chance if you are too small. So sports need a judge to tell you how you did. Come on, how can a sport be subjective? That's stupid, but not hockey. No, not hockey. Golf is good to play, but not so much to watch. I can't play tennis because I drink too much. I can't go swimming cause that shit's supposed to be frozen. I'm gonna stick with hockey, best sport I could have chosen. The sports are too slow and some not tough enough. Some you'll get ejected for playing too rough. Some are so dull that you don't even break a sweat. Some you sit in the car and only turn to the left. Hockey